Now the next scenario is that you want to take the feedback of your employees on the scale of 1 to 10. So you do not want the user to enter anything less than 1 or greater than 10. And even you do not want your user to enter a decimal value. It should be a whole number. It cannot be 5.2, 4.8 or something. It can be any value from 1 to 10. So you have 10 options basically. So how to restrict any wrong entry? So keep the control on this cell, go to data validation, and here select whole number. As soon as you select the whole number, it will give you the option what is the data range, as in between. In this data section also you have multiple options: between, not between, equal to, not equal to, greater than, less than, greater than or equal to, less than or equal to. So depending upon your requirement you can choose any. Here between will fit in, so between 1 to 10, and I said okay. Now what has happened when I enter 4.2 here? It gives me an error. This value does not match the data validation restrictions defined for this cell. Okay, so now try to enter 0. Same error we are going to get because 0 is not a whole number. In case we enter 5, it's working perfectly fine. So this is how you can take the feedback between 1 to 10 and restrict your user to put any wrong value in this particular cell.